So hey guys, here are the things that are not in my top 10. Is my torque wrench, my ratchet, my extendable ratchet, my other extendable ratchet, all my adapters, universal joints, and sockets, and my icon light, and my Jasper headlamp. So I just wanted to let you guys know. So then once I'm done with my brother's car, I'll put all this stuff back in my top chest. And which means now I'm probably going to reorganize it again. So I just wanted to let you guys know. Hey guys, so all the stuff on the back is still the same. But there's going to be some tools not in here because I have it ready for whenever we do my brother's AC compressor and my brother's dryer on his car. So I did some rearranging of everything pretty much. Yeah, there's a bunch of miscellaneous stuff in there. And pretty much same here, it's a bunch of miscellaneous and tools, and same for this one as well. Bunch of miscellaneous and tools in this one. Bunch of miscellaneous and tools in this one. Oh shit, something must have fell. I'll find it later, whatever it was. So yeah guys, that's the whole setup. So then hopefully you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload, live stream, make YouTube shorts, and keep an eye on the community tab so YouTube makes videos where you get notified when I post in the community tab. Bye guys, peace, I'm out.